Today I'm going to show you how to use the storyboard feature in Google Vids. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on start a new video, and you want to come down over here and you'll see that there is a storyboard option. So over here you'll be able to generate a video outline. You'll also be able to add in stock media as well as the AI voiceover. So go ahead, click on this, and over here it'll ask you to go ahead and choose one of these options. So here we have three sort of templates, okay? And what it essentially does is it adds in a prompt over here. Now, if you go and click on this, it'll shuffle another few different options, but essentially what you want to do is you want to add in a description or a prompt here of exactly what you want to create. So for example, I'm going to use this one over here because it has the most detail. Now, of course, you can use this as a structure and then just add in a bit more of your own pizzazz. Let's go ahead and click on next. Now, what is going to happen is you get to edit the outline. This is merely the outline, okay? So what you will do here is you will see an introduction and every other slide or clip that is going to be part of your video. Now, what you can do is you can add a scene in here, you can delete scenes, and then if you click on the pencil icon, you can actually click over here and you can change the information that's in here. Once you are happy with everything that you see here and you've made the appropriate changes, you can either say next, or if you'd like to start the whole process over again, you can click on the try again and it'll give you a different outcome. Now over here, you are going to select a design that you would like to start with. So go through some of these templates and see what actually works nicely for you. I'm going to go ahead and use this template over here. And now you get to preview the sample design. So this is what it looks like. You're now going to go through each one of these slides, review them, and then click on create the draft video. What essentially will happen now is you will have a complete video made for you according to the specific prompt, the design, and all of the edits that you made up until this stage. All right, we've got our final product over here, and you can see each one of these slides or clips. In between them, you will see little blue icons. These are transitions. If you click on any one of them, you'll be able to change them, what they actually look like, and then their direction and duration. And whatever clip you are clicking on, let's say perhaps like this one, you will be able to click on any one of these elements and then you can edit each element over here. So if you're clicking on text, you can literally edit the text. If you're clicking on a video, you can either go over to the right hand side here and you can edit the video itself, or you can literally just use this video or upload your own video. You'll see the very same thing over here with the music. So if you click on this and you click on here, you will see that there are some options. And then if you go over to the voiceovers, you can click on that and you'll be able to see the actual captions. Okay, so let's just select this and then we're going to go to voiceover, and here you will see all of your scenes. So here are the voiceovers, and you can then change your voiceover and then just click on update all, and essentially this is what your video will start to look like.
Welcome. We're here to explain how to run an effective launch review for any pilot program.